Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our science class. Today, we are going to talk about the layers of the soil. Here are our starter activity. Identify if the sentence is true or false. Number 1. Soil is made from rocks and organic matter. Number 2. The small creatures and plants that die over time are often called organic matter. Number 3. Soil formation begins with the weathering of rocks. And fourth, humus is the dead parts of plants and animals in soil. Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up. Here are the answers. Number 1, true. Number 2, true. Number 3, true. And number 4, true. Our learning objective: to describe that soil is made from rocks and organic matter. Success criteria: I can describe how soil is formed. I can describe organic matter. I can explain how the organic matter is formed in the soil and how it helps plants to grow. And I can justify what would happen if there were no organic matter in soil. How soil is formed. Soil is the thin layer of material covering the Earth's surface and is formed from the weathering of rocks. It is made up mainly of mineral particles, organic matter materials, air, water, and living organisms. How is organic matter formed in the soil? Organic matter is formed by the remains and waste products of plants and animals and other living organisms. Examples: leaves fall to the forest floor, decay and became part of the soil. This decayed organic matter is called humus. It is found at the top layer of the soil. The importance of organic matter in soil. Organic matter serves as nutrients and water in the soil. Organic matter makes the soil color darker. The reason that soil quality matters is that healthy soil can store the process more water. Poor quality won't hold water and will make it possible for plants to grow or to survive. The key to healthy, high quality soil is lots of organic matter, things formed by living organisms. Now, I'm going to show you the layers of the soil, or we call it as the soil profile. The top layer of the soil, where the organic matter has stored, it is called the humus, or the O horizon. This is where all dead or dried leaves, dead animals, and small organisms are found. It mixes with the soil to make more fertile and good for plants. Now, the first layer of the soil is called topsoil. The topsoil has lots of humus, as I just said. It is also called as the A horizon. This is where small plants and where we planted our seed to grow. The second layer of the soil is called subsoil. The subsoil has lots of stored humus and minerals. Only big plants or roots of the big plants can reach this part because it's a little bit harder than the topsoil. The third layer is called the weathered rock. The weathered rock, or the sea horizon, is the mixture of weathered rock or bits of rock and soil. It has also less humus and less minerals. And finally, the last layer or part of the soil profile is called the bedrock, or the D horizon. It is the hardest part of the soil and it has big rocks. And now for the activity, I would like you to label the different layers of the soil. I have here the illustration about the different layers of the soil, and here are the label. Put them in the correct box that describes each layer. Pause the video and do the activity. For activity 2, I would like you to arrange the organic matter found in each layers of the soil. So I numbered it from 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of these are the layers of the soil. So I have here the layers of the soil, or the label of the layers of the soil and its components. For example, A, bedrock. It has minerals and rocks. B, weathered rock. Weathered rock has minerals with very little humus. C, topsoil. It has humus mixed with the small particles of minerals. And finally, subsoil, humus mixed with big minerals. So arrange it to the right layers. Time starts now. Time is up. Here are the answers. Number 1 is topsoil. Number 2, subsoil. 3, weathered rock. And 4, bedrock. For your final activity, I want you to draw the layers of the soil and label them with its name. You may also describe its label or each layer of the soil of its compositions. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have learned something today. Enjoy learning and always remember, be the best you can. Till next time, bye.